अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. On this auspicious day of Teachers' Day, I would like to speak a few words on the impact of teachers on the minds of students. When some teachers motivate and inspire their students, some demotivate and create fear among students. Mainly, the children below the age of 10 create everlasting impressions on their minds about their teachers. Those might be either positive or negative. On this occasion, I would like to share some of my experiences as a student in school and college where I studied. I did my schooling at Tyler High School in Narsapur. When I was in 6th standard, I had taken Sanskrit as my third language. I was not able to pronounce those slokas perfectly, and I was very badly insulted by the teacher among the students. I felt so depressed and stopped learning Sanskrit, though I liked Sanskrit. Instead of insulting me among other students, if he had encouraged with little patience, I would have continued learning Sanskrit. Thus, he made negative impact on my mind. But other teachers inspired me and helped me in getting through my exams. I completed my graduation in YNM College, Narsapur. In that college, all my lecturers were not only good in their fields of teaching, but inspired me and helped me to get good marks. One of my favorite teachers was SVAR Shastri Garu, because of whom what I am today now. I completed my degree in BSc and was in dilemma if I could continue my further studies, since there was no post-graduation course in YNM College where I studied by then. I had to move away from my hometown Narsapur if I had to continue my further studies. No wonder to say I was brought up as a glass handle with care. So I could not tell my father about my wish. At that point of time, SVAR Shastri Garu, my favorite lecturer in English, came to my father and suggested that I could do my PG in English literature privately. My father expressed his doubt and asked, "It's a good idea, sir, but she being a graduate in science, how is it possible for her to complete MA English literature? Just with science background." "You don't worry, sir. I can give coaching for her to pursue her MA," said our master. My father asked me if I was willing to continue my studies further. My heart leapt with joy knowing this fact. Just imagine how difficult to a lecturer to teach a girl who studied degree in Telugu medium to prepare her for MA English literature. But our beloved sir made it. Having a lot of patience and with constant guidance, he made me get through my exams without expecting anything in return for his personal benefit. Our master is a great motivator and a powerful catalyst, an ideal guru to many. I became a lecturer in English and completed more than 25 years of service only because of his constant blessings. How can I pay my tribute to my great master who molded me in this way, what I am today now? He is ideal to all those who are in teaching field. The homage we have to pay to that noble soul on this occasion is to follow the great ideals he stood for. I feel he might have made everlasting impression on the hearts of every one of his students. Sir, you might have left us physically, but you are always there in our hearts. Thus, teaching profession is considered as one of the noblest profession. One's knowledge is multiplied when it is shared with others. Those great masters may be there or may not be there, but their students are reflection of their thoughts and their knowledge. I wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Jai Sriman Narayan.